Hi friends, I am Anas from Website Wise. Today in this video, we will learn how to install a plugin to your WordPress dashboard from WordPress Marketplace or from installing it from external website. So if you want to know how to install plugins to your WordPress dashboard to make your website more smarter, then all you have to do is simply follow up with today's video. So all you have to do is simply first of all come to your WordPress dashboard. Now in order to install a plugin, you have to go in the plugins and add new section. Now it is the marketplace of plugins inside WordPress where you will be able to get multiple plugins and hence you are free to install any of these. So as you can see over here, it's up to you which plugin you are looking for and which plugin you want to install. For example, if I want to install Yoast SEO, which is an SEO plugin, for this all you have to do is simply search over here Yoast SEO. So as soon as you search this, you will get this plugin which is Yoast SEO. All you have to do is simply click on install now to install this plugin to your WordPress dashboard. Once it is installed, you have to click on activate this plugin so that this plugin can be activated and start working on our website. So as you can see over here, it is successfully installed and activated. Now there are some plugins that are not in the marketplace of WordPress, which is this one. So there are some plugins which you need to install from external website. So hence how to upload those external plugins to your WordPress dashboard. Now this is our second method to install a plugin to your WordPress dashboard from installing it from an external website. Now let us suppose that you have to install Affiliate Booster plugin, which is not inside the marketplace of WordPress. For this you have to search over here. So you have to search over here Affiliate Booster plugin and you have to open its main website. So if you want to purchase the premium version of Affiliate Booster, you can even do this, which is very affordable. But if you want to download the free version of Affiliate Booster, you can simply click over here, download free version. So once you have installed this plugin to your desktop, all you have to do is simply upload this plugin to your WordPress dashboard. For this, you have to come back to your WordPress dashboard and you have to come in the plugins and add new section. And then you have to click over here, upload plugin. Now over here, you have to upload that zip file which is your plugin. So after uploading that zip file, all you have to do is simply click on install now. Now once it is installed, all you have to do is simply click over activate plugin. Now as you can see over here, we have successfully installed an external plugin to your WordPress dashboard. To check this, you can simply come in plugin and install plugin section. Now as you can see over here, this Yoast SEO we have installed inside the marketplace of WordPress. And if some plugin is not in the marketplace inside this marketplace, we can go in the external website, which is this one, which means that we have installed this plugin from external website and upload to our WordPress dashboard. Hence, in this way, you can easily install a plugin from the marketplace of WordPress or from external website. So I hope that you have learned from this video. If you have learned from this video, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thanks for watching this video.